Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Sam and today we'll be talking about coiled cables. Now my channel recently has been doing a lot of unboxing and reviews on a lot of Royal Clutch keyboards, and a lot of people has been asking me, hey, where did you get your coiled cable, or where do I find coiled cable services in Malaysia? And today I'm proud to announce that I'll be collabing with SilkeyKBD to give away one of their custom mechanical keyboard cables. But first of all, he has sent me one for unboxing and review, so let's check it out. It's right here. Let's get into it. I'm very excited. So here it is. It's in this silverish bag. Let's just get the penknife. I'm really excited for this because it's a custom coiled mechanical keyboard. So it comes really well wrapped. As you guys can see, SilkeyKBD is their logo. Let me see, how do I get into this? I'm really excited for this because I've been waiting 1 week and it's finally here. So let's check it out. Ooh, so this is their logo, SilkeyKBD. Again, you can check them out on Instagram or Facebook. It comes with a sticker here and the box is in perfect condition. Let's open it up and see what I got. So I actually don't know how it looks. He sent me over so I can do a real reaction on this. Let's see it. Okay, so we have some bubble wrap on top. I still don't see the cable yet. It says, thank you for allowing us to be a part of your keyboard setup. As you guys can see, it says SilkeyKBD here, SilkeyKBD.com, or you can find them on Instagram, SilkeyKBD. Nice. So this is the two parts. Ooh, I like it already. Okay, let's open up the first bubble wrap. It comes really well packaged, honestly, with so much bubble wrap, so you don't have to be scared if it's damaged. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. So let me zoom in. This is the coiled part. Nice. So it has tech flags on top and it feels really good and springy. And we have golden connectors. Right, let's unbox the other part. Okay, so this is the straight part that connects to the USB into your computer. And this is the aviator cable which connects to here. Okay, now let's take a close look at the cables. Here we can see the coiled part. I chose white with white tech flags on top. And then it's connected to black, what do you call this again? Black heat strings and a golden connector for the Type-C. Also golden for the USB to the computer. This part honestly feels amazing. It's springy, holds its shape, and it's pretty well built. This is a black aviator that connects right here. And then it goes on to the black part with white connectors. Oh, this is nice. So I'm going for a panda build theme in my next mechanical keyboard, so this is going to match it pretty well. But let me just set it up now with my current setup and see how it looks. So yeah, that was basically a quick look at the custom coiled cable sent over by SilkeyKBD. Again, to recap, I think that they feel really good and are really reasonable for the price. They really come with quality, and the packaging, as you guys can see just now, is really good. So if you're interested in making your own custom coiled cable, or if you want to order one, you can check out their Instagram at SilkeyKBD, or you can go to their website and try to customize one for your own at SilkeyKBD.com. Now, onto the giveaway. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, this is how you do it. So me and SilkeyKBD will be giving one of you who comment down below a custom cable which you can fully customize on their website. Now, this is how you enter the giveaway. Step number one, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Step 2, you have to follow them on Instagram. And step 3, like and comment something below this video. So I'll be picking at random one of the comments below this video to enter the giveaway. There's only one thing that you need, and that is you need to be a Malaysian citizen or currently living in Malaysia to enter this giveaway. I'm so sorry because we cannot post it out of Malaysia. So again, to recap, leave a like, subscribe, comment and follow them on Instagram, and I'll be choosing one winner from the comments. Please be Malaysian. I hope you're Malaysian or staying in Malaysia to get this. Yeah, so that is it for this video. If you like this video, leave a like. Dislike this video if you didn't like it. Subscribe if you haven't. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.